Welcome. I am your expert technical instructor. Today's module is focused on how to design and implement appropriate metrics and queries for effective project planning using Azure Boards and GitHub. Effective Agile plan and portfolio management relies entirely on accurate, data-driven forecasting. By designing appropriate metrics for project planning, transformation teams can align high-level business strategy with daily technical execution. Utilizing Azure Boards, organizations can capture real-time data regarding team capacity, sprint progress, and backlog health, transforming subjective estimates into highly accurate project timelines. This WIQL query retrieves all epic-level work items, giving project managers a high-level view of major portfolio initiatives. This flowchart traces the planning path. Portfolio strategy leads to epic definition, supported by metrics and forecasting, before sprint execution begins. A core metric for project planning is team capacity versus planned work. When managing sprints, teams must estimate parallel jobs and accurately track the burndown of story points or hours. Azure Boards provides native capacity planning tools that factor in team members' time off and daily work hours. By querying this data, Scrum Masters can prevent overloading the team, ensuring a sustainable delivery cadence without triggering developer burnout. This Azure CLI command retrieves the configured capacity for a specific team during a specific sprint iteration, crucial for workload balancing. The sprint planning workflow. Begin by assessing team capacity, confidently assign work items, and continuously track the sprint burndown. To surface planning metrics, you must master the Work Item Query Language, or WIQL, in Azure DevOps. Designing customized queries allows you to filter tasks by precise statuses, such as tracking features tagged priority critical or issues marked status blocked. These targeted queries isolate the noise, allowing project managers to immediately address impediments, reallocate resources, and keep the iterations flow of work moving efficiently. This vital WIQL snippet immediately identifies active work items that have been tagged as blocked, highlighting tasks requiring immediate managerial intervention. This decision tree represents query logic, identifying active tasks, checking for a blocked tag, and escalating for managerial resolution if necessary. Project planning metrics must account for the entire work item hierarchy, from epics down to granular tasks. By constructing queries that traverse parent-child links, project managers can visualize the completion percentage of a massive feature based on its underlying user stories. Additionally, tracking technical tasks like feature toggle maintenance ensures that teams are explicitly budgeting time for necessary operational cleanup alongside new product development. This advanced link query retrieves the relational structure between features and their child user stories, essential for hierarchical progress tracking. The diagram visualizes hierarchical tracking. A parent feature's overall completion metric is calculated based on the varying states of its child stories. Measuring team velocity, the amount of work completed during an iteration, is foundational for historical forecasting. By aggregating completed story points over multiple sprints, project planners can establish a reliable baseline velocity. This metric prevents overcommitting in future sprints and allows product owners to accurately predict when large-scale epics will be ready for release. Consistency in task sizing and query structures is vital for accurate velocity tracking. While velocity relies on work items, invoking analytics via the API allows teams to blend velocity data with historical test reliability metrics. This flow shows the aggregation of velocity across multiple sprints to establish a stable, average baseline for future forecasting. Once queries are designed, their output must be visualized. Customizing project views and dashboards in Azure DevOps translates raw WIQL data into actionable charts. Project managers use these widgets to explore shared goals and define timelines visually. A well-designed planning dashboard might feature a sprint burndown chart, an active bugs list, and a velocity trend graph, ensuring all stakeholders have instantaneous visibility into project health. This command lists the widgets currently active on a dashboard, allowing administrators to audit and optimize the metrics being presented to stakeholders. This illustrates the dashboard construction. Raw WIQL queries are processed by the widget engine to output clear burndown and velocity graphics. To conclude, designing appropriate metrics and queries for project planning enables teams to manage capacity, forecast accurately, and maintain a sustainable delivery cadence. By turning raw data into visual dashboards, you empower transformation teams to succeed. Please remember to like, subscribe, and visit quicktechie.com for premium certification prep, including Q&A banks, ebooks, audiobooks, training, and interview guides. The foundational query template for isolating metrics strictly within the boundaries of the current active project team. The continuous planning cycle. Define the metrics, execute queries, visualize the data on dashboards, and ultimately optimize your project planning.
Welcome to quicktechie.com. So just type in quicktechie.com here. Then you can go through the material which is provided by quicktechie. So we have first of all video courses which you can go here and you can find the various video courses across the technologies as well as finance domain. So if you see in Microsoft, we have 8 programs currently running. Next, you can go through the ebooks available. So all the ebooks which are in PDF format today, and you can download this. So let me go through Microsoft certification ebooks. You can click on any of this and you can see this is the PDF available for you to download. So these are the premium ebook mostly available on quicktechie.com platform only. Now the second part is exam simulator. As we primarily focus on the all technology companies and finance domain certification preparation material, so this is company wide listed here and you can go through this. So let me go through the Microsoft one again. You can see these are all Microsoft related certification. AB730 exam, if you open it, so you can see here this, and all the practice papers are available here. Today we have a 5 practice paper. So click on the first practice paper. It would load the questions. You can answer this question. This is way you can answer it and you can move to the next question. Now third material we wanted to highlight is an audiobook. So we started recently with the audiobooks as well, which you can listen on the go, and various technology wise ebooks are available. And at the last, this is our alumni. These people who are subscribing to our courses and this platform, they are all listed here. And at the end, I wanted to tell you, if you find any course or training or certification preparation material which you want to get us prepared for yourself, please put on the comment section. If you're watching on YouTube, on Udemy, or on this platform itself, quicktechie.com, then please put the comment, or you can even send an email to using this contact us options here. You can directly do the WhatsApp message. You can call us on this numbers as well.